Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money selling printable greeting cards in 2025. This is one of the easiest digital products to start. No inventory, no shipping, and the design sells forever. Let's get started. Why printable cards work in 2025? Printable greeting cards are still one of the most reliable, low-cost digital products. Customers can get instant access, last-minute solutions, and unique designs, while you can get no printing, no shipping, no stock issues, and passive income from one design. But remember, niche beats generic. An example of a good niche can be encouragement cards for teachers, funny sarcastic cards, small business owner humor, pet theme cards, and niche holidays. The first thing that we can do is go to our Canva homepage, then click on Canva AI. Once you're in Canva AI, go ahead and click Design, choose Cards and Invitation, and enter your prompt. For example, let's make a prompt for first-time teachers. Once you've entered the prompt of your niche, go ahead and click Generate. Canva will now give you 4 card styles. So go ahead and choose at least one. For example, I've chosen the third card. Once you've reviewed the design, go ahead and open Use Canva Editor. Inside the Canva Editor, you'll see a lot of tabs in the left sidebar. You can go ahead and revise any design that you would like to do. The template, the elements, the text inside the card. You can also upload using the Upload tab, the style, the positioning, the pages, where you can add a front, back, or even an inside of the card. Basically, you can just tweak the design to make it more professional, casual, or more artistic. So go ahead and update the text, customize the colors, and add decorative elements. Once you work on your finished product, you'll need 3 downloadable files. The first file is a PDF Print 300 dpi, which is a high-quality PDF for professional printing. The second one is a print-at-home version with a US letter or an A4-sized centered card, faint cut lines, and optional fold line. The third one is a bonus JPG, front design only, which is 100% quality. Customers can use it for e-cards, social media, and digital sending. Once you've finished downloading all the files, you can go ahead and create a card mockup inside Canva. Just go to Elements, type Mockup, and choose any mockup that you want to use. This mockup page will be the front of your product if you decide to sell it on Etsy. For example, if you look at the cards in Etsy, you see that they have a very eye-catching mockup. If you have a very eye-catching mockup, it will generate more sales. Additionally, you can also choose to sell your card from other platforms, for example, Gumroad, Payhip, and Coffee. Top promotion methods also include Pinterest pins, Instagram Reels, TikTok Watch Me Design videos, and niche hashtag. You can also scale by offering bundles, creating collections, and building multiple variations. Lastly, we also have an optional advice. You can also sell a physical card. If you want to expand later, you can just upload your design to Printify, offer the printed cards, and let them handle printing plus shipping. But for beginners, stick to digital printables. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icons for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.